In an era where financial independence and freedom are more sought after than ever, harnessing passive income streams has become a prime focus for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Among various methods, creating and selling digital products has emerged as a potent avenue for generating passive income. Today we'll delve into what it takes to harness the power of digital products, explore how they can serve as a reliable income source, and examine the steps to create and sell these products successfully. Digital products have revolutionized how we think about commerce in the modern age. Unlike physical goods, digital products are intangible and do not require inventory or shipping costs, allowing for significant scalability with minimal overhead. Ebooks, online courses, software applications, and graphic designs are just a few examples of digital products that can transform your knowledge and skills into a viable income stream. These products, once created, continue to generate revenue with each sale, enabling you to earn money even while you sleep. The journey to creating and selling digital products begins with identifying a niche or an area of expertise. This is crucial, as it lays the foundation for what you'll offer to potential customers. Consider your professional background, hobbies, or even unique skill sets that you can teach or share with others. Is there a gap in the market that you can fill with your knowledge? Pinpointing a specific niche not only guides the direction of your product, but also helps target the right audience. Once a niche is determined, the next step is product creation. This involves planning, outlining, and executing your idea into a tangible digital format. For instance, if you're creating an online course, begin with designing a curriculum that gradually builds on knowledge, ensuring it's accessible yet comprehensive. When creating an ebook, organize your thoughts into a concise, impactful format that delivers clear value to your readers. It is fundamental to focus on quality throughout, as a well-crafted product not only attracts more customers, but also encourages repeat sales and positive feedback. Pricing your digital product appropriately is another important element. Conduct thorough competitor analysis to get an overview of market standards. Your pricing strategy should reflect the value your product offers, while still being competitive within the market. Bear in mind that digital products have the unique advantage of minimal marginal costs, so pricing can be flexible, allowing room for promotional discounts or value packs. Marketing is crucial to making your product visible. Develop a strategic marketing plan that leverages social media, email marketing, or collaborations with influencers in your industry. Creating engaging content that showcases the benefits and unique features of your product can attract potential buyers. Testimonials and user reviews can also work wonders in establishing your product's credibility. The choice of platform to sell your digital product is equally vital. Options range from your own website, where you have complete control, to third-party platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon, which offer broad marketplaces but less control over data management. Evaluate these options based on your business model and sales strategy. To conclude, mastering passive income through digital products hinges on understanding your niche, creating high-quality content, strategically pricing your product, and effectively marketing to reach your target audience. With the right approach, digital products offer the potential to unlock a stable and lucrative source of passive income, enabling you to achieve not only financial goals, but also personal and professional milestones. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kil9to5.com.